Let's now go on to what happens if you had a coefficient in front. What happens if you had 2x squared minus 8x minus 10. Right, now rewrite that in that form. So watch what we do now. Y is equal to, remember before we complete the square, the coefficient of x squared must be 1. So pull out the 2. Now there's two ways of doing it. Guys, there are two ways of doing it. The first way that you can do is divide everything by 2. Watch here what I'm going to do. Divide everything by 2. So I'm going to have y over 2 is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. Okay? I said you need to rewrite this into that form. So what do? I'm showing you two different methods. The one method is a very clean method. Why do I say clean? Because it's not messy. We're not going to be taking out and having 100 types of brackets. So I'm just saying divide everything here by 2 because you want to complete the square, the coefficient of x squared must always be 1. So in your first step, divide everything by 2. So in your second step, you're going to have y over 2. Now complete the square. Now complete the square. We're now going to have divide by 2 minus x squared. Remember, that was our formula. That was our method, our process. So x squared, x, minus 4 divided by 2, 2 squared, minus 5 minus 2 squared, 4. Y over 2 is equal to x minus 2 squared, minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Now what you divided by 2 in the beginning, you only want y in your final answer. So now you multiply everything by 2. So your final answer here will be y is equal to, you're going to multiply this by 2, multiply that by 2, multiply that by 2. So you're going to have 2 into x minus 2 squared minus 18. And there we go, our a value, our p value. A is equal to 2, p is equal to 2, q is equal to negative 18. The other method that could be employed at school is going to be this method here on the side. So we got y is equal to 2x squared. So we're going to say this is method number 1. We're going to say this is method number 2. So 2x squared minus 8x minus 10. So y is equal to, you take out 2 as your highest common factor. You're now left with x squared minus 4x minus 5. You're taking it out in square brackets. Now you're going to be doing it again, completing the square in the bracket. So x minus, divide by 2, x minus 2 squared minus 5 minus 4. So what are we left with? Y equals 2 into x minus 2 squared minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. What you took out in the beginning, you multiply back out at the end. You will notice that both ways we get exactly the same answer. Y is equal to 2 into x minus 2 squared minus, remember, multiply the 2 times 9, 18. So you can decide, guys, whichever of the two methods you feel comfortable employing in the exam. Both methods are right. You wouldn't lose any marks. I would say, personally, that's a cleaner, neater method. Divide everything by 2, but don't forget at the end, multiply everything by 2. So you're working neatly on the one side. That can become a little tricky. But at the end of the day, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so now, this is the parabola with the turning point formula.